Yeah, overall, the Washington State Department of Health says that the risk is low for the general public, but because this is a new virus and there are a lot of unknowns, they're taking this very seriously. Now, Dr. Jay Cook with Providence Regional Medical Center, he says that the infected patient is in satisfactory condition, meaning his vitals are stable, but doctors will continue to monitor him for at least 48 hours in a special isolation unit. We've learned the patient lives alone and also traveled to Wuhan, China alone, but there's always the chance that he may have exposed the virus. So an investigation is underway looking into who he may have come in contact with and where he has traveled. They're retracing his steps at the airport, his transportation from the airport to his home, which we're told was in a group type transportation mode, and the first clinic he went to when he felt ill, which they won't disclose which clinic that was. At today's press conference, again, officials just want to stress that the risk is low.
I just want to say there's nowhere in Snohomish County that I would be reluctant to take my new granddaughter or my family members. This is a low risk. It appears to have a transmission vector that really should not prevent anyone from going anywhere in Snohomish County except maybe the isolation ward at the hospital.
So here's what we know about the novel coronavirus. It can look like the common cold. Symptoms include fever, cough, and respiratory issues. If you experience any of these symptoms but did not travel to Wuhan, health officials say it's not likely you have the disease or the virus, but if you did travel to China, you'll want to get tested. And again, how it spread from human to human still remains unknown, but in the meantime, health officials advise you take those usual preventative measures of, covering your mouth and your nose when you're sneezing, washing your hands, and also staying home if you're sick. But again, the officials want to stress that the risk is low and there's no need to panic. Live in Shoreline, Grace Lim, Q13 News.